Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the door switch in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. You can use a putty knife and a flathead screwdriver to pry the old door switch free of the liner. Disconnect the wires to fully release the old switch. Install the new door switch by first connecting the wires to the terminals. Properly align the switch in the liner and snap it into place. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.